So what's up, guys? I'm here live and direct again. You know we rock it to the fullest. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, your favorite YouTuber. You know I'm here, so make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe before you leave this YouTube channel. So good morning, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. You know we can't leave God out of nothing that we do, so we have to give God thanks for another beautiful Friday. The sun is hot, the SUN is out, and the SON is out. And who the sun set free is free indeed. So welcome to #Oshie Vlog TV, one of the most informative YouTube channel on the rise. So as you see today in my title, we are going to talk about 10 Jamaican parables. 10 Jamaican parables. 10 Jamaican parables. Parables that Jamaican use. Some parables we hear our grandmother and grandfather use. Some parables we hear people use in the streets. Old people, young people, middle-aged people, people overall use these parables in the streets. So let's dive right into this video. Parable number 1 that you will hear your grandmother with, you will hear your grandfather with, you will hear your neighbor with, just about anybody. We use one of these parables. Parable number 1. Tanancy no poil no dance. 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 This mean in a Jamaica, this Jamaica parable mean watch and you will see. Tanancy no poil no dance. Watch and you will see. That's the meaning of that first one. Number 1, parable number 1, Tanancy no poil no dance. That's one of our first Jamaican parables you hear. A person might use, you hear, maybe your grandmother might use, you hear, grandfather might use. Tanancy no poil no dance. Watch and you will see. That's what it means. Parable number 2. Fowl we feed a yard, no hard to catch. Fowl we feed a yard, no hard to catch. That's another Jamaican parable that Jamaicans like to use, that we use in Jamaica. Fowl we feed a yard, no hard to catch. And what this simple mean? Understand what this simple mean? When they say fowl we feed a yard, no hard to catch. It means that if somebody do something to you, or somebody say something or react in a certain manner to you, or specifically do something to you, and that person is giving you the run around, or give a skip around, or give a run around, or giving you a distance, and you say, okay, you'll come right back here. No care how far you run go, you're gonna come right back here. So you can continue run. Stay running, keep running, keep skipping, keep dodging. Fall, we feed a yard, no hard to catch. So that parable mean, as I said, when someone is trying to give you the run around, or someone is trying to dodge you, or someone is trying to, understand, to give you a distance, give you some distance, or somebody want to just play your fool. That's one of the Jamaican parable. Fowl feed a yard, no hard to catch. Yeah, we have you say, yeah man, fowl feed a yard, no hard to catch. Here, you can't stay there. Stay there run. Stay there hide. You must come back here. Say here, you must come back in the yard. If your parents say, yeah man, fowl feed a yard, no hard to catch. Stay there run. Run from the beat now. Look how me catch up and bust your ass. That's one of the Jamaican parables that you might hear your grandmother, you might hear your grandfather, you might hear any Jamaican use, because we like to use slangs and we like to use parables, but we're sticking. That's parable number 2. Parable number 3. Ah, God. Your grandmother will tell you this. If you was a young girl and you hear your grandmother say this to you, little girl, or girl, little girl, Pitney, anywhere you catch your cold, go along back they go blow your nose. Anywhere you catch your cold, go along back there, go blow your nose. In other words, anywhere you get in trouble, go back to that very same place to fix your trouble. If you're a female or you're a girl, here's a young girl and you get pregnant early, whether at a teenager stage, and your grandmother always been warning you to stay away from boys and keep yourself safe and protect yourself, and you end up get pregnant, or you're a young man and you get yourself into trouble. Understand? You get in trouble with law, you get in trouble at school, you get in trouble overall, and you hear your grandmother say, or your grandfather say, anywhere you catch your cold, go along back, they go blow your nose. If you're a girl, young girl, and you get pregnant, and you hear your grandmother say this, you hear your mother say this, beware. She's simply trying to tell you that anywhere you go pick up that, you go do what you go do and get pregnant, or anywhere you go and meet that boy and do your thing and get pregnant, go right back to that person and let that person help you out of that trouble, or help you to take care of that trouble. Or anywhere you go create a damage as a boy picnic, or a young man, or a teenager, go right back to that place, go fix the trouble that you have created, to fix that problem that you have started. Anyway you catch your cold, go along back, they go blow your nose. That's one of our another Jamaican parable that our elders, our grandmother, auntie, cousin used to love to use. Anyway you catch your cold, go along back, they go blow your nose. Parable number 4. Oh God, the one I name, what the one you say? Once bitten, twice shy. Once bitten, twice shy. When you hear a Jamaican person use this parable or use this term, say, once bitten, twice shy. It simply means, you have done it to me once, you're never gonna get the opportunity to do it to me twice. You have hurt me once, you're never gonna get the opportunity to hurt me twice. Once bitten, twice shy. Once bitten, twice shy. That's another Jamaican parable saying that we used to like. Once bitten, twice shy. That's parable number 4. Parable number 5. We're going through them because I don't want this video to be too long, so I am just going through them. Parable number 5. Cow no know the use and tail, to fly take him backside. Cow no know the use and tail, to fly take him backside. Cow do not know the use of his tail until flies start to bother his behind, his butt. This parable simply means in Jamaica, when we use this parable, or your grandmother, your grandparents, or anybody use this parable, it simply means that you don't know what you have until you lose it. You don't know the use of something good or someone good in your life until you lose that thing or that person. You don't know what you have until you lose it. So this Jamaican parable that cow no know the use and tail, to fly take him backside. Cow do not know the use of his tail until fly take his butt. That's one of our Jamaican parables that Jamaican people used to like. Say to you, your grandparents, grandmother, grandfather, your friend, neighbor, you will hear parables like this because we used to like slangs and parables in Jamaica here. Parables number 6. Parables number 6. Parables, I hope I pronounce it right. Parables, we Jamaica we say parables. Parables or parables. Anyway, number 6. Oh God. Number 6 say, if you never go under foul rules, foul wouldn't mess by you. If you never go under foul roof, foul wouldn't mess by you. But they will use the S word. They will use that S word. The S word. If you never go under foul roof, Fall wouldn't mess by you. Fall wouldn't do by you. Fall wouldn't poop on you. Fall wouldn't S on you. You figure it out. You following me? You figure it out. What this parable simple mean in Jamaica? This parable simple mean that if you never go where trouble is, trouble wouldn't come to you. If you never go and find trouble, trouble wouldn't be at your doorstep. If you never go and trouble something or create a damage, you wouldn't be in the problem that you're being. That is what it means. If you never go under fall roof, fall wouldn't mess by you. If you never go under fall roofs, fall wouldn't mess by you. Let me say it properly. If you never go under fall roofs, fall wouldn't mess by you. Fall wouldn't do by you. Fall wouldn't by you. Fall wouldn't. You know what I'm saying. Parable number 7. We're sweeping through them real fast. Don't want this video to be too long, too drawn out, but I'm sweeping through them real fast so you can get the understanding and make sure I try to explain as clear as possible so you can get the understanding of Jamaica parables. Parable number 7. Blood thicker than water. Jamaica people love to say this. Blood thicker than water. Blood thicker than water. It means if a brother and a brother, two brothers have an argument and a friend get involved in the argument, and a friend would want to get between the two brothers, the two brothers eventually would turn to that friend and say, here what, stay out of this fight, stay out of this argument, stay out of this conversation, because blood thicker than water. It means they are families, they are blood families, and you are not family, you're just a friend. So blood thicker than water. So you are an outsider, so stay out of this conversation, stay out of this fight, stay out of this argument, stay out of this. Blood thicker than water. We are families, we are blood, you are not family. So that's what it simply means. So this is one of the parables that Jamaican people would use. Yes guys, one of the parables that Jamaica. Parables number 8. As we're scrolling down the list real quick and fast. This parable number 8. Me now waste me shot pan blackbird. Me now waste shot pan blackbird. These parables, first thing you hear, just say, that sound like blackbird, sound like maybe a slingshot to shoot a bird, maybe sound like a gun to shoot a bird, or sound like something after doing shooting a bird. No, that's not what it means. What it really means is, I am not going to waste my time on something or someone that do not worth my time. I am not going to waste my time on something or someone that do not deserve my time or worth my time. That's what it simply means. Now we shot pan blackbird. Now we shot pan blackbird. One of Jamaica parables. That's parable number 8. As we are scrolling through this list, making it a bit fun. We do not want to be boring, because you know we don't boring. We keep the thing alive, we keep the vibes alive. As I said, teacher, if I can thank God this Friday, you know we're at the vibes to the fullest. It's a beautiful day here in J here. The SUN is out and the SON is out, and who the sun set free is free indeed. Make sure you comment, make sure you leave a comment. Scroll down so you leave a comment so you can get a shout out. I need your comment, as we're sourcing, we're growing up. We're making our way, going up to the 100 and to the, we want to go to 1 million, we want to get to the highest point, because the sky is the limit and beyond. Yes. Parable number 9. Parable number 9. My nose is a bit ticklish because the fan is blowing on me. Yes. Parable number 9. Parable number 9. Wow. What foolish dog bark off a flying bird. Another Jamaican parables that Jamaica people use. Bob Marley used this parable in one of his songs. Only a foolish dog bark of a flying bird. Bob Marley also used this parable even in one of his songs. Shout out to Bob Marley and the Marley families. Understand? Foolish dog bark of a flying bird. That's just another Jamaica parables to say. Foolish dog bark of a flying bird. It's like, think about it. I am out of your reach. I am in a higher level than you. Someone or something is in a higher level than you. And you're here trying to belittle that person. Trying to bring down that person. Trying to fight down that person. Trying to, understand? Trying to disrespect that person. While that person is in a better position than you, that a person in a higher position than you, that person is much better off than you. Maybe that person is more educated than you, and you're a person that is less educated, or foolish dog bark off a flying bird. Understand? It's like, just imagine a dog barking after a bird in a tree. He's just there barking, 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 and this bird flying away, and you will never catch that bird. No care what you do, you never catch it. You're just there talking, 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 make a bag of noise, make a bag of sound, and you cannot get to that bird. No care what you do or care what you say. You will never get to that bird. You never reach to that bird level. You will never reach up to that level. That's one of our Jamaican parables. Foolish dog bark off a flying bird. You might have other meanings to this one. This one is on a wider scale. Foolish dog bark a flying bird. Because just imagine a dog barking. He's looking up, barking after this bird flying high in the sky. You will never catch that bird. You never reach that bird level. You never reach that bird standard. You never can reach. He's just there making a bag of sound, a bag of noise. To cut long story short, let's get right into number 10 and final. Drunk say in now work on a Sunday. Drunk say him now work on a Sunday. You have a Jamaican song say, drunk say now work on a Sunday. I think his name is Tenasa. Shout out to Tenasa. Drunk say he's not working on a Sunday. What this mean? Sunday, for some people in Jamaica, Sunday is a rest day. It's a day that they choose to rest, to recuperate, to do some house chores, to stay home, to relax. So when you use the saying, say, drunk say, nah, work on a Sunday, you know. So me don't know why me I work on a Sunday. If drunk not work on a Sunday, why me if you go work on a Sunday? Even drunk rest. Drunk is a blackbird. Like, it's like a, in America you have a certain kind of bird where we eat dead animals. In different countries they have different names. But in Jamaica, these birds that eat on carcass and dead animals, we call them drunko. In your country, you might give them another name or call them another name. Understand? We do not know what's the name in your country, but in Jamaica, those blackbirds that fly high in the sky, not eagles, that come down and eat a rotten carcass and feed up on a carcass, we call them drunko. And if on a Sunday, you don't see anyone flying in the sky, understand? Anyone flying around in the sky looking for a meal, and we use that term and say, look, Junker say, nah, work on a Sunday. Junker not even look for a meal on a Sunday. Junker rest on a Sunday. So why me if you go out and work on a Sunday? I am going to take a rest today on a Sunday. So that's what Junker say is not working on a Sunday mean. That's just one of the saying, one of the meaning. There may be other meanings, but I just cut it short so I can get straight to the point. So make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe before you leave this YouTube channel. One of the most informative YouTube channel on the rise. My name is Ocean, so welcome to #OceanTV. So make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you scroll down and leave a comment in the comment section. I can't say that enough. I have to stress it. It's because I need your comments. So like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned so you can get a shout out in my upcoming video. So you will see my shout out in the upcoming video. In this upcoming video, there is a shout out that I must give this week to this guy on this YouTube channel. His name is the name of his YouTube channel is Sounds. So shout out to Sounds. That's the name I see on the YouTube channel, Sounds. So you can go over to his YouTube channel and give him a subscribe, give him a like, give him a share. I'm gonna leave his information right there in the comment section. So make sure you stay tuned for my next comment video. So shout out to Sounds. That's the name I see on the YouTube channel. If I'm saying it wrong, forgive me. I will get it right next time. Sounds. So shout out to Sounds. You can give him a view, give him a like, give him a share, and subscribe also. So stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.